Pangaea, the four-wheel drive of the ocean, will take us from Walvis Bay all the way to Cape Town, and I'll show Tangi how.
We left Walvis Bay at the beginning and were to go to Cape Town. The first 2 days we went through a huge storm. It was quite rough, and after the weather went better, so we could sail a bit. Mike showed us how to sail, and we learned a lot of him. We've been grinding on the winch and hoisting the sails.
Go, 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 pull, pull!
And the more we did it, was easier it was. This is the first time I've been sailing on such a huge boat, and I've learned so much, and it gave me the really want to sail more on such boats.